successful in this option buying, which I want to be successful, and I want to come in those 3% cadre as I'm telling, as I'm saying repeatedly to me. So today I was just going through this. This is my study today. There is a OI profile here, which tells me that at 500 Nifty 22,500, the put writers are heavy, 1.05 crores. As per the people, as per the all experts says that it will be difficult for Nifty to cross 20,500, being the put writers are heavily available there, and it will be difficult for Nifty to cross 600 rupees, 622,600 going high, because no here also, but here also it will be little tough to go Nifty to cross 22,600. So it is going to be a bullish trend, but while going to the next step 650, the call writers are little heavy, and 700 the call writers are too heavy, 1.5 crores. So 22,700 is my one focus level, is my focused level. And here if I go below 22,400, here again put writers are heavy, so I don't need to go much on that, because I don't think if that is if put writers OI is correct, then I don't think the price will fall anyway below 400 level. But still, I would like to consider this level for tomorrow's operation, being an expiry, monthly expiry. So what I have done is, generally it is said that whenever the options, particularly, the people will start closing their positions when the option price fall below 20%, then there will be a profit booking start happening. So being this as a 400 is my focused level, what I have done is, if I see here today, I have taken 400 CE. That means if price falls up to the 400, or price falls of 400 CE by going up and down, up and down, up and down to 27 from 195, I have put an order. Now this is after market hours, so I have just put, considering, thinking, suppose if it gaps down, then also I will buy this 400 call if it gap down, or if it is gap up and it crosses 700, then also I will buy this, because at 700 there is a heavy call writers are available. So these two are the focused target for me, and let me see tomorrow what happens. It may not, I may not get all this order, because suppose if Nifty will get open, I'm not expecting Nifty to open so high, so definitely these both orders are not going to get executed. It will be either 30 plus or 30 minus or something like that, considering looking at the previous behavior of the Nifty, and the bearishness of the Nifty and the tussle between bulls and bears. So this order may not get executed, but this gives some some guideline to my mind. What should I do tomorrow? I will not hastily uh, take a buy call for any of these options. I will only take the call appropriately, looking at the levels of the Nifty and see whether I succeed. Okay.